Yo, what's good, everybody? It's Vic here. Today is Thursday, it's 11th. I'll be going over today's trade recap. We took longs, man. I just took longs probably like 15 minutes ago. Um, Great play. Thank you, God. Hit first trading day on these accounts. Yeah. Let me show y'all P&L, man. Let me show y'all P&L. $4,802 on the day. Apex account, as you can see, in Alpha Future accounts. Man, it feels good. Start off on a good note. I don't know the last time I started off accounts off of AW. Last time I didn't do it, the time before on my Alpha accounts, I don't think I did it. But yeah, um, feels good. Let me break down today's trading session. So coming into today, I felt like today was almost even a no trade day for me. Um, I liked what I saw, but market really did not give opportunity. Coming into market open, there was these data lows. Or let me start up with bias. Coming into the day, I was bullish, but I didn't mind taking shorts. I was bullish because, as we can see, we have a daily SMT with these daily lows, right? So, and it was holding, and we were respecting bullish and disrespecting bearish at the time of market open, right? Unless I'm bugging. Okay. Oh yeah, okay. At the time of market open, we're respecting bullish, we're disrespecting bearish, right? So what I wanted to see was a tap and either a sweep of these lows to continue higher, or I didn't mind. We weren't uberly bullish, but I didn't mind a unfilled 30-minute gap tap to then take us lower to our data lows, right? So as we can see, market open. One second. As you can see, market open. We initially dump lower. We failed to take out these data lows. We come back down, and there ends up being this 1 minute that maybe I think some people probably end up taking. The reason this is valid is because there was an SMT with ES at this point. ES came tagged its data lows. Then started leaving, and at this point, this is high. Our stop loss is high resistance, but our take profit, as you can see, is this unfilled. We have great LR. We have great LR right there, and we have this unfilled 15-minute. Unfilled 30-minute gap. So our TP is low resistance, right? So I guess this was a good trade. The reason I faded, I was initially thinking about taking it, but the stops just look nasty to me. I don't know. I didn't love it, and I really didn't want to OC force. And like my targets, like I guess I could have gotten a one-to-one break even at these highs, but I don't know. I didn't love it, so I faded it. Although I don't think it was a bad play at all. And we end up completely ripping. The second idea I later had was off these London highs, but at this point we were like, I didn't mind taking shorts at this point, but we really just created no fair value on this leg. We did end up rejecting. We end up resweeping these highs, right? Then at this point in time, we have a minuscule SMT at the high. Then I marked out this 3-minute gap because I really like trades like this. If we can resweep a high after just taking London, bro, it's so small. I can't even. Bro, I gotta zoom in. Let me just delete this. I know it's a super small gap, but even before the gap was formed, it was much bigger. So that, to me, that just showed downward pressure. I wanted something told me to front run, and I told myself if because I feel like because currently my rules are while I'm funded, do not front run and just wait, no inverse, no trade. But I feel like I'm pretty good at front running and knowing when to move. A big expansion is about to happen, so I feel like I'm selling myself short if I don't front run on fun dates. But I told myself if I plan on front running, I should just take it with half size. Um, and I was really considering it, but I was like, I really don't know if I wanted to really. I don't know. Like maybe I should have taken it at front ran half size, but I don't know. If I'm being honest, I was a little timid. I was a little scared. But it is what it is. Didn't end up taking it. Ends up completely running. I'm like, dang. We might not get a bid today, which is okay, but ends up running. Then at this point in time, the 15-minute gap gets created, right? So market comes down, taps this 15-minute. This whole leg is sponsored, by the way. This SMT still holding. This daily SMT still here. So in my mind, this was a 30-second entry, which I do not have on here because Tradeovate wants to, um, what's the word? What's the word I'm looking for? Because because NQ wants to exploit users and make them pay $70 to be able to use a 30-second chart. No, thank you. So I just executed on Tradeovate's, or I was looking at the Tradeovate's 30-second. But at this point in time, on the 30-second, it was pretty good structure. This main, but I guess you could argue this was not the best structure back to the upside. But I think let me see if I could show you on the 30-second. On the 30-second, I think it was quite good because we did have targets. I'll show y'all when I show y'all trade of it at the end here shortly. I wasn't mad at it. We had good targets. We had previous failure swings. I don't feel like I was just longing into nothing. We had good failure swings, so I'm not too mad at that. Hold on one second. I'm trying to delete, bro. I'm on my other screen right now, y'all. Anyways, it doesn't matter. Anyways, I didn't feel like there was failure swings. I mean, I there were failure swings, so I was confident in targeting those. Um just good bump. PA's been really good. Yeah, and TP at this 5 minute gap. But if I let you know a little secret, I pulled probably like a little bit before because I already seen 1 to 1, but I did say I'd work on that, but it was damn near at TP. I'm not gonna lie. I just felt like it would reverse. I'm not gonna lie. I still gotta work on that, but I'm not too mad because I did get my full win. But again, like these mistakes be costing me in the long run. They add up. I will be better at that for sure, but I'm still glad. I think it was pretty. It wasn't the trade of the day at all means. I think this might have been traded today, or this was even a better trade. But I think I would take this 10 out of 10 times. Even had a local resweep after this 30-second failure here. Um, yeah, just decent, pretty good bid, man, pretty good bid. And now we're just chopping around. PA has been phenomenal. PA's been really good. Um. And I just hope we can close out the week strong. I hope we can get a banger tomorrow. And yeah, let me show y'all P&L on each account. So this is what I was talking about previously. This trade was I was just trying to get because I didn't at this point in time I thought I was gonna have a no trade day. Then I looked at alpha rules and the inactivity and it says 7 days inactivity your account is closed. So I just put a one micro trade at this point in time. Um just to just to not break the inactivity rule. Then this is where I took the longs, and this is what I was talking about. Like we had good failure swings, and I think TP was at this high right here. Um, yeah, I'm not mad at that at all. We had 1, 2, 3 points of target off this reject and another sweep, and we're in the 15-minute gap, which I love 15-minute gaps unfilled plus a sweep. I really did like this. Let me show y'all um the Apex accounts. One second. I don't want you to hack me. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy, bro. You just gotta keep stacking days. Don't get too low. Don't get too high. Um, Just keep stacking days, bro. Just keep stacking days. All we gotta do. Um, then P&L on Apex, as you can see, around 600 on Apex. Um, yeah, great bump. Great way to start. Just gotta keep stacking days, stacking days. Really do want to go on a run, man. Really do want to go on a run. I pray we do. Um, it's just a matter of time, bro. It's just a matter of time. I'm not gonna speak too much because at the end of the day, this only one trade. This only one day. We got ways to go. Although I don't think I'm going for a max payout. I'm just on the alpha. Whenever the alpha accounts can take a payout, I'm gonna go on. The goal is to go for a max payout on alpha, which is to get my balance to 3K. And I can take a 1,500 payout on each account. And with 1,500 on each account, then at that point in time, I think these might be ready for 1,000 payout. Payout at that time. I think I should be eligible for a 10K payout across all firms. So the challenge might finally be complete soon. I pray it is. Again, just got to keep stacking days, not forcing, following our system and trusting in God, bro. And he's going to get us where we got to go, bro. Like, you feel me? Thank you, God, bro. Thank you, God. I just like good starts, bro. It just mentally, it's easy on the mental, bro, when you start off good, and it's great on the mental when you have a good start, bro. And that's really what I wanted. Again, I just pray tomorrow is another banger day. Let's see, we got news on the docket, man. Man, everybody in the cord eating too. P eating, Abby eating, Drew eating. I mean, Drew hasn't. I don't know if Drew's traded today, but I'm sure he's gonna eat. Um, yeah. Do we have news tomorrow? I don't think we do yet. No news Friday. Yeah, that's all I got for y'all, man. That's all I got. Don't got nothing else to say. I'm gonna see you all tomorrow or whenever I take my next trade. Why not us, bro? Like, why not us, bro? Why not us, bro? Why not us, bro? That's all I gotta say, bro. I love y'all. You're finna be rich as shit, bro. There's no doubt about that. I have full faith, full belief, bro. Like, it's gonna happen, bro. Like, man, God's plan for us is good. Every one of y'all watching, even though it might be zero people, one people, two people, bro. We all gonna make it, bro. I really do believe that. I love y'all boys. Why you Vic out, man? Why you Vic out, man? Why not us?